What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another Halloween themed cocktail. And today's Halloween cocktail, guys, is the Bloody Jack, and I will show you guys how to make this alcoholic take on a Roy Rogers, but an alcoholic conversion. So what you want to do, guys, is get your rocks glass and put some ice. So now get your jigger and pour in the ingredients. So what we're going to do now is pour in 150ml or 5 ounces of a Jack Daniels. Next is 1.5 ounce or 45ml of Coca Cola. And the last ingredient to add is 15ml or half an ounce of Grenadine. Now give it a good stir. And the final thing to do now is garnish it with a Halloween sweet, as we've gone for the dark heart. And there we go, one Bloody Jack. And there we go, one Bloody Jack. How does this Halloween take on the Roy Rogers taste? I expect it to be quite powerful, but I think I like it, as I do like bourbon. I like Jack Daniels. That is a dangerous drink. A lot of bourbon in it. It's got to say 150ml, 5 ounces of bourbon is in this. And you can certainly taste it, but if you're a whiskey lover, you'll like this Halloween themed cocktail. And doesn't it just look beautiful with the Grenadine and the Coca Cola? Just to weaken it a little bit, but that is pure gold. Beautiful. I just love a bourbon cocktail to do. I just love bourbon. But that, guys, is the Bloody Jack, and that certainly packs a punch, and it'll certainly delight for a Halloween. Because that is the Bloody Jack. So if you want to make it, the ingredient is 150ml, 5 ounces of bourbon, Jack Daniels, 45ml, 1.5 ounce of Coca Cola, and 15ml or half an ounce of Grenadine. And my next Halloween themed cocktail will be the Hulk Screwdriver. So stay tuned for next Halloween themed cocktail. Because I've been MixedSid, and I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as it really does help the channel grow. And I will see you guys for the Hulk Screwdriver. Cheers.